There is another very vital bone that gives our body support and structure.
What is it called?
It is called the backbone and it is made up of tiny bones known as the vertebrae. Come on, let's try counting them.
Wow. But how? I cannot reach my back.
The skeleton structure there. You will notice and count the number of vertebrae in the backbone.
Alright, Dad. I count 33 vertebrae. Dad.
Absolutely right. There are a total of 33 vertebrae in the backbone.
And did you know something interesting? The rib cage is joined to the vertebrae.
Oh wow, that is really fascinating.
Yes, Arjun. Now try to touch your feet. Wasn't that easy? To just bend and touch your feet?
Yes, Dad, of course. I'm flexible.
Well, you are. Now imagine that your backbone was made up of only one long bone. Would you still be able to bend like that?
Oh, I don't think so. I would not be able to bend if the backbone was just one single bone.
Look at the skeleton again, son. You see two very prominent bones at the shoulder area. They are called shoulder bone.
What about the big bone structure under the backbone, Dad?
These are called pelvic bones. They enclose the portion of our body below the stomach, the part that you sit on.
The head region of the skeleton looks really scary, Dad. Isn't the brain inside this region?
The skull is made up of many bones joined together. And just like you said, it protects the brain.
Oh, isn't that amazing, Mom?
Yes, Arjun. What is even more exciting is that there are also some additional parts of the skeleton, which are definitely not bones and can rather be bent as well.
Ah. What are they called?
That's called cartilage.
Try to touch your ears, both the upper and lower part. Did you notice anything different? Are the bones hard like the rest of the body?
Not really, Dad. But I noticed that there is a difference when I touch the earlobe and the other parts of the ear. At the lobe, it is very soft, while at the rest of the ear, it is a little hard.
Excellent.